YouTube channel. I am Gabriel. In this video, we shall be looking at the presentation part of this paper that we started in the last two videos. This video will look at the presentations of May-June 2024 paper 2-1. Please sit back and enjoy this video. Now we are going to the presentation part very quickly, and let's go. So presentations, we have task 4 here. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 8 slides using the file j2421 playgroup.rtf. So if you want to do that, just open a presentation and go to home. You can do it in 2 ways. Come to new slide and say slide from outline, then go back to the source file folder, and the question says we should pick playgroup. So playgroup, insert, and I have this. The question told you already that you are going to have 8 slides, so but you already had one before you imported. That's why you have this 9. So delete the first one that was there before. So I'm going to delete this. So I have the 8 slide. You can see the 8 slide. So what's the next thing instruction says? The instruction says that unless otherwise instructed, the slide must display a title and a bulleted list, and you can see that title, bulleted list for all of them. Okay, good. Then place at the top right of the slide, okay, a header with your name, center number, and candidate number. Place in the footer automated slide numbers left align. Make sure that no header and footer appears in the same. Make sure that the header and footer appear in the same position on every slide. No items overlap on any side. Since it's affecting all the slide, the best place to get this done is in the master slide. So what do? Go to view, go to slide master view, and scroll up to the primary slide master. Here you have it, and then you quickly do what they ask you to do. Place at the top right of the slide a header with your name at the top right. So go to the top right. So you can use this top right with your name. So you type your name. What else? Center number and candidate number. Center number and candidate number. What else? Place in the footer automated slide numbers left align. In the footer, automated left align. So you can bring this here and take this other one here. Okay, take it here, align it properly. You can align it to the left properly, align this to the right properly. Okay, good. Now having done that, then what else? Make sure the header and footer appear in the same position on every slide. No items overlap any slide, so it's not overlapping anywhere. So you can take this and just adjust it so that it does not overlap. So you have this. Okay, good. So the next thing you do is that after you have done this, go to insert, go to header and footer, then activate it by clicking slide number so that slide number can show. Activate this so that the name also can show. Then click apply to all. You may want to do that also for your notes and handouts in case they will ask you. So you could also put your name there. Center number 001 and click apply to all. So you have that. Another thing you may like to do is maybe you want to bold in so that it will be sharp when you print or something like that. Okay, that is if you want to. Okay, that's that. So after that, what else? Let's see. That's for 2 marks, and we have done that. Locate the slide with the title our staff. So that means you exit the slide master view, come to slide master view and go to normal. So you have this. Locate the slide with the title our staff. So our staff, Okay, here is it. Then look at what you did, okay, the other time. So then what else? Select the 3 bulleted items after the text center manager who. Okay, center manager who, the 3 items. So you select 1 2 3. Okay, then center manager who, and format them to look like this. So that means this has been indented. Okay, good. So what do? You come back to home and come back to increase list level. So you have this, that is after D. Okay, also you can italize it as I could see here. Then they change the bullet type. Pick it and go to bullets and numbering, go to customize to go and pick the one that looks like the one given to you in the question, and then you will see, let's explore, that will see the one that looks like it there. That is I think this looks like it, and I say okay, okay, good. We have that. What else? All staff hold. Okay, we have done that for 3 marks. Okay, staff. Okay, that's correct. Then delete the slide with the titles, our guiding principles and areas of learning and development. Our guiding principle. So our guiding principle, from our guiding principle, delete the slide, so that means it's plural. With the titles, that is plural. Our guiding principle and areas of learning. Guiding principle and areas of learning. So these are the 2. So select the 2 and delete. Right click and go to delete slide. The 2 are gone. Then the next one is use the data in the file J2421 test course to create a vertical bar chart to compare achievement for only the subjects literacy and mathematics. Okay, so you open this file, test score. So go to the test score. Here is it. Open it using a spreadsheet. So the question says we should only do for mathematics and literacy. So what you do is, let me open it wide so that you can see. So you select it, subjects, select the subject. Let me read that again. Subject literacy and mathematics. So select subject, press down control key, and literacy and mathematics, you have this. Then go to insert. What kind of charts were you asked to create? Create to a vertical bar chart to compare. So you go to chart, vertical bar chart to compare. This vertical, literacy, okay, here is it. So we have it this way. Literacy and mathematics, okay, to compare. Then display the subject as labels on the category axis. Okay, display the subject as labels on the category axis. So this is the category axis, the subject as labels. You can see this category axis, this value axis, the labels here, literacy and mathematics. Okay, good. What else? Label the chart with the title impact of early child care on test results. Impact of early child care. So click on the chart title, paste it there, paste impact of early child care on test result. What else? Display the following values only as data labels along the top of each bar. Values only. So you click here, go to add element and go to data label, values only along the top, and that is done. Then what else? A legend showing preschool and no preschool. You can see this is a legend showing preschool and no preschool. Okay, good. Then what else? Format the value axis scale to display a minimum of 0, value axis scale, minimum of 0, maximum value of 56, and increment of 8 for 2 marks. The value axis. So to go to the value axis, you click on the value axis, right click on it, and go to format axis. So this opens up, and it says you should have minimum of 0, maximum of 56. Here we have minimum of 0, maximum of 60. So let's change this to 56. So we adjust this to 56, and then it should have increment of 8. So look at the difference we have here. Change it to increment of 8. That's 10 before. Change it to increment of 8. That's the major. Click out and see 0 to 56. So increments of 8 in between. Then what else? That's for 2 marks. After that, the question says that place the charts to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title academic performance to the left of. So place the chart, so you right click on the chart, right click and copy, and go back to the slide, and then said to the left of the bullet of academic performance. So go to academic performance to the left, so you click on it, left of the bullet, move the placeholder this side so that you can have space here, then right click here and paste. Okay, after you pasted, align it properly. Okay, good. What else? Then make sure that no words are split, all data and labels are fully visible, the chart and its content do not overlap on any slide, no words are split. So let's see if there's any word splitting. No word is splitting, everything on a straight line. This is perfect. What else? On the slide with the title long-term benefit, create an arrow-shaped action button that looks like this. On the slide with the title long-term benefit, here is a long-term benefit. Create an arrow-shaped action button. So to create an action button is very simple. So you are here, go to insert, you see action button, you go to shapes, different action button that you have. Okay, but they say you should use arrow, so I'm going to use, these are the default action button, but you can make your own. So I'm going to use arrow like this according to the instruction, that it should be like this. Then it is not fill, so remove the fill. You can shape fill, you can say no fill. Okay, you can say outline, you can make it so that it looks like the one given there. What else? Position this in the bottom right corner. Format the action button so that when clicked, it opens the document with the file name J24 lifelong. Okay, so let me copy this. It opens this document, copy. So let me click on it and place it here. Let me just change the outlook so that it can look like the one we have there. Okay, so to format it is very simple. To create an hyperlink, that's what this simply means, so that when you click on it, it opens that file. So you right click on it and go to add hyperlink, or you can even use another method and say add hyperlink, or right click and say hyperlink, and you want it to create a file. So go to the folder, say current folder. Where is the folder? And that folder is on the desktop, on my desktop, and that is May June. This is 2.1. What's the name of the file? The name of the file is J24 lifelong. Where is lifelong? Here is it. So just click it, yeah, lifelong, and say okay. So you have created an hyperlink. So how do I know? You see, when you click on it, you will see that there's an hyperlink on it. Then what else? Enter the text lifelong gain in a black font on the action button, lifelong gain. So you are entering this. So I'm going to copy this in a black font on the action button. So I'll click here to type. Sorry, let me do it in another way. Lifelong. Let me click on it and select it. black. Okay, lifelong gains. What else? According to the instruction, then make sure that the text displayed on one line, the text fits within the shape and does not overlap the border. Okay, so let me just increase it a bit so that if you see it, I think this is better. Okay, good. Then what else? Displays on one line, the text fits within the shape and does not overlap the border. Then take screenshot evidence showing the action button links to the correct file. Place this in your evidence document. Make sure that the file name is fully visible. So to do this is also simple. So I can just go to edit the link to see that. So right click on it and go to open hyperlink or edit hyperlink. So it's going to show the name of the file so that everything will be seen here. The name of the file must be seen. Okay, so existing folder. Okay, the name, all the name I use here will be seen. Okay, so and I've created the link lifelong. Okay, so that's that. You take the screenshot. Okay, when I say open hyperlink, you can see it's working. That's when you know it's working. So and that's open to the file. So to take that is simple. Just right click and go to edit hyperlink, and it's going to show the name, the address of the file, j242lifelong.csv. So let me take the screenshot from here. Okay, screenshots. I can even take it with this so that I will show. All right, and I'll paste it in my evidence document. Paste. Then the next thing will be save the presentation, print the full presentation as handout in portrait orientation. Let me save first. Save. Okay, let me cancel this. Save. So I've saved this presentation. Let me call it tax 4. File, save as. Okay, yeah, I call it. In this tax 4 presentation. I'm saving the work area. Okay, good. So okay, then save it and print the full presentation as handout in portrait orientation with 2 slides to the page, each filling half of the page for 1 mark. Let's take note, handout in portrait orientation. So you come here, file, print, and you go to print all slide, and then handout. So you come handout. How many? 4 slides to you. Let me confirm that whether 4. 2 slides to the page, sorry. 2 sides to the page, and portrait. This is portrait orientation. Look at orientation, portrait, and then what else? Each filling half the page. You can see each filling half the page. Then that's also to print it. You just check. Let me zoom it so that you can see this. You can see there's the second page. Okay, this third page, and this everything. So let's see that very well. Okay, so let's check that again from the beginning. The question says create a presentation of a slide. Unless another instruction instructed, the slide must display. Place at the top of the slide the header. So we have done everything. Locate everything is perfectly done. Okay, good. So the next thing is just to print the presentation. So print the presentation. So after you're satisfied with the preview, okay, and you're printing as a handout, you can see the way I went to handout. Just come to here, instead of print here slides handouts, you can see 2 slides, then you just hit the print button and it will print. Then what else? That is for 19 marks total for that presentation. So the next thing is task 5, printing the evidence document. Make sure that your name, center number and other detail appear on every page. Save your evidence document, print your evidence document, and that's all. So just go to your evidence document and ensure that you have your name on every page, everything is intact, then you can print. Okay, good. Print, just go to file, go to print, and your evidence document will be printed. And that's how we have come to the end of this series of May-June 2024 paper 2-1. We have looked at the document presentation, document production, databases and presentations. Please like this video, share it with other people, put your questions in the comment box, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we work hard to bring you best solutions to ICT practical papers. See you in the next video. Bye for now.